Customer said unit wasn't cooling. You can see, got a bad capacitor. Gonna change this out. Like my man Walt. Cap and go, guys. Cap and go. Hey, I'm slapping a new cap on here. Should be good to go. Cap and go. That's a 45.5. Comes on you. 45.5. Put that on. That bad boy on. Should be out of here. You see this one? Setup right here. Should be good to go. Refrigerant in here. Wait till that compressor kick on. Should be good to go. Matter of fact, when it's in delay, let me show y'all a trick. Press the speed up option like how you would and put it in defrost mode. The compressor should kick on just like that.